Hello friends, this is G Gonzalez here. I'm about to show you a plumbing secret, what plumbers don't want you to know. It's fairly simple. I'm going to show you how to replace a shut-off valve on a light water pipe without shutting the water, the main line off. Okay, so if you got into problems like where you cannot shut the water off for any reason, if it's an apartment complex where you can't shut the water off, whatever, you know, if it's hard to shut it off, so here's the secret how to replace a pipe without shutting the water off. What we're gonna need here, we're gonna need it's a 1/2 inch ball PEX with the PEX input and a PEX output, 1/2 inch. That's the first thing. It's fairly cheap, Home Depot, $9. And then we're also gonna need one PEX ring right here, a PEX ring, really cheap too. You know, they sell you the whole bag for like $5, Home Depot, Charbite. Now, the only problem, if you're not a plumber, you're just a homeowner, you need to get yourself one of these, which is not that cheap, you know, it's like $60. But you do need to get at least a couple buckets, you know, because this is like a mobile home. We got the hole in there, so we can always, you know, put the water down there or on the pipe. But if you don't have that access, just get two buckets. It's gonna be easier to put this ring when you already have water in there, because the pressure is gonna be less for the pipe to get in there. So, well, we're gonna start by cutting this pipe. We're gonna do it fast. Of course, you know, I'm using this tool, but you can always use your knife, or you can use a regular, you know, scissors. But I mean, I have this tool, which is almost the same thing. Getting too fancy, but here it goes. Okay. You see the water is gonna be running all the time like this, so I'm just gonna clench this thing so we're able to put the ring on it. Okay, so we got the ring on it in the hose, and then we just need to put the ball. So make sure when you put the ball, it's on an open position. Don't ever put this ball on a closed position, or it's gonna just whoop, it's gonna fly off. So you put it in here and then get it really strong and fast. See, you got that? Okay, now we put this ring on the right position, and then we get our clincher. Well, it gets a little harder, but almost there. Kind of use my knee to do it. Okay. Once it got a hold of it, so make sure you do a 2 cycles, and then boom. Done. That's it.